Good morning from Trott HQ, Dorset. Busy one today. First one of the day is this stunning BMW M1000XR. This is a returning client. He's actually got this bike sold and the guy's picking it up on Saturday, so he wants it given a little Trott TLC before the customer comes and collects it. Pretty good shape, to be honest. I think we've done this one previously. Junior did it, but we're going to give it a little bit of Trott TLC, polish up those wheels, do a little single stage polish on this bodywork, machine polish the windscreen, just get it looking flawless for the client. So let's get cracking. We'll get a little snow foam on it, loosen up all this contaminants before we touch any cloths to it. I will degrease all this wheel, all this sprocket and chain, etc. And then we'll get it in the studio, crack on with a bit of detailing. Let's get cracking. Okay, BMW M1000 is now in the workshop. We thoroughly washed it, decontaminated, got all the brake calipers and everything clean, degreased all the rear wheel. I'm just in the process of blow drying it, making sure to remove any moisture from any switch gear. The windscreen's off. We're going to do some polishing on that. All this bodywork's going to get a single stage polish. Got a few little marks here and there, nothing major. Got some ingrained bugs which I'm going to polish off. We're going to service that chain as well, put some lube on that, all the seats off, like I said, making sure to remove any moisture from the switch gear. You can see a couple of little marks on that tank there. I will polish those out, and we'll get some polish on that exhaust. I'm going to mirror polish up all the underneath here, this exhaust, just get it looking like it should for the new owner. Titanium exhaust, lovely. We'll put a bit of polish on that, get a little XCP on the motor, and then she's done. So she's thoroughly dried now, chain is all lubed up, all the exhaust up underneath there is polished. Now time to do a little machine polishing on this bodywork. It's not bad, it's just got a few ingrained bugs and a few little marks. So we're going to do a single stage polish to get rid of those, and then we'll get that windscreen polished and she is done. What a stunning bit of kit. I know I keep saying that, but one of the best looking bikes around, I think. There you go. This stunning BMW M1000XR has now been fully trotted. Look at the freaking gloss on that. This had one of our full Monty Valets. Like I said earlier, this gentleman does have this bike sold. The Client's picking it up on Saturday, so he wanted to make sure it was all spruced up, ready for the handover. She is absolutely immaculate. Every nook and cranny of this bike's been attended to. Single stage polish and all that bodywork, just to remove a few imperfections. It is to be expected with a second-hand bike, but she is mint. Chains all been serviced, wheels have been polished, all the exhaust up underneath has been polished, all ready to go. Get yours booked in now. We've still got £25 off full Monty Valet until the end of the month. Be quick, as we've only got a couple of places left. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.